little day trip down here to Loudonville, looking at some of the stores. It is Monday, therefore a lot of stuff is closed because the weekends are big. That's why I have a day off on Monday. Gonna see what we can and give you the quick tour of what it is, what it's like to do Loudonville, true Americana, small town America.
It's named after my dog.
Okay.
Who's completely not Zen. He's the opposite of Zen.
So you've got some campsites.
Yeah, 3.
And a park and launch up on Wally Road.
Mm-hmm.
And tell me about the store.
The store is actually just a sort of a collection of things that we had seen on our vacations. We always like to go to those little stores and see what they have. And the leggings we got from Cottonwood, Arizona. The muscle rub from Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. A lot of this stuff was just even as close as Yellow Springs.
Nice.
And and then a lot of local artists.
Right.
Local.
And of course, unlike everybody else in Loudonville, you're open 7 days a week, so you can come in anytime you're in town.
Yeah.
Awesome, man. Thanks.
Yeah, no problem. My pleasure.
So quick and don't forget to add it on because I'll be asking what you think he's for. Can't break those. The wall.
Wave, creative outlet, wave.
If you break it, she gets to break your feet. Hello.
Is that what it is?
Oh my God.
So get a chance. Beano's Buckeye Ballroom here has all kinds of cool memorabilia inside. I'm not going to go in with the dog, but cash only, old school. Hamburgers, adult beverages, right off of Main Street. So looking for something to do or a rainy day entertainment down here. Next to the police station is the Loudonville, the Ohio Theater. They show matinees and other videos, movies for folks that are down here in Loudonville. It's a good value. It's right off of Main Street here. And looking for something to do besides camp, or if it's a rainy day, come on into town, check out a movie while you're here. We've ordered takeout from the dine-in available though, Black Fork Bistro. I got a mushroom and Swiss burger, sweet potato fries, and creme brulee. We'll see how this goes. Ooh, it looks like it's on brioche. Holy mackerel. Look at the size of this beast. Bistro sauce on the side. It's a horseradish-based sauce for this burger. It's like a mayonnaise with horseradish. It's not very hot, but it has a nice flavor. I'm going to dig into this here burger, see what we got going on. This is a good burger. It's big. So next to me is the raging Mohican River. Pardon me. Talking about a mouthful. There's some soccer and softball fields across the pond here. A pretty cool playground, so we'll check that out after we eat. Creme brulee. It's pretty good. It's a little more custardy than some of the other creme brulees I've had, but good. I don't know how you make a big batch of it and stick it in a to-go thing. And but yeah, it's got some crispy sugar crust on it. That's definitely pretty good. Here at the Fisher Museum in Loudonville, Ohio. What can you do in Loudonville? Unfortunately, this place is not open on the weekends, but it is a tribute to small town America and the history behind places like this out in the middle of nowhere before there were places where you canoe all summer. Let's see what's inside. Here's your skull surgery kit. I think you got a headache now. Whoo! Wait, it gets better. And just in case you need to get your leg cut off, Bazumba.